Hey guys, it's True with GunsAmerica's Hunt365. I want to show you a product today. This is the Really Right Stuff Ascent. It's their smallest, lightest tripod. So let me just tell you a little bit about Really Right Stuff if you haven't heard of them before. This is like the premium American-made tripod company. This is what all of our military DoD snipers, our tier 1 groups are actually purchasing. They're purchasing a bigger, heavier version of this, but that's what they're shooting off of. They're deploying out of helicopters with these. They're making shots well out beyond 1,000 yards standing. So hunters are starting to find out that, hey, tripods are a really good way to hunt as well. You can glass off of them. We're gonna show you some stuff here. But let me just show you really quickly. It's fairly lightweight. It's this version. There's a couple versions of this, but they range from 2 pounds, just over 2 pounds, to 3 pounds. This is the longer one, and I'll show you kind of what it does. They also range from just over $1,200 up to $1,500, depending on what features you decide to purchase with. So this isn't cheap, but it's American-made quality, and it's about the lightest tripod you can actually shoot off of. So we're gonna go ahead and attach a spotting scope. I'm gonna show you how that works. It's got a ball head, it's got an Arca Swiss adapter here. I'm gonna make this just as tall as it goes right off the bat. So we're gonna set this up really quickly. And we're also gonna shoot off of it in a minute, so I'll show you how that works with a lightweight hunting rifle. So everything is well machined, it's American made. So right off the bat, it's tall enough for me to take this spotting scope and be able to adjust and glass off of it. If I want it a little taller, if I'm at a weird angle, there's a lever here that I pop, and the center stem will go all the way up here to where I can't actually even see through my spotting scope. Same thing with binoculars. Some of you like to glass through your binoculars, and you can literally come up here. This is an ASIAC bino clamp adapter. Throw that on there, and you're ranging, glassing through binos. This ball head is very smooth. There's a lever that adjusts it very fine that allows you to still move it. So I can range very accurately, glass very accurately, quickly switch things around. So let's say I want to shoot off of this though. So this is how I would set it up. This front leg is going to go out. That gives me the most stability. And I have a polymer Arca Swiss rail attached to my gun here. And this actually allows me to connect to this tripod fairly rapidly and lock it in. And now I have the ability to stand, get over brush, get over trees, and I can adjust the tension on the ball head with my left hand. And once I kind of get it dialed in, I don't actually lock it down, but I'm gonna reach across like this and give the tripod some stability. So that's what it looks like though. Gives me the ability to shoot a really long ways standing, still small enough to fit in a pack, still light enough. You can see how tall it is. I'm 6'1", and it goes taller than me in that fully extended position. Now I wouldn't want to shoot with the stem up, but this gives me a lot of options. I can also use this prone because I can get the legs all the way out. Let me just show you what that looks like. So I'm gonna pop this rifle off. And these legs have the ability to go out. So if you had a weird rock that you needed to put that on, or if you needed to get into like a side hill and still be able to shoot off of that, you could actually shorten these up. And I mean, it's really, your imagination is the only thing that limits what you could do with this as like a tall bipod in a really steep side hill. You set this down, you actually sit on this leg and add tension, and you can shoot get really super stable. But all three of these legs come out, so you can get really short to the ground. Obviously the stem's in the way, but you can also remove this if you need to. It's got a weight hook down here, it's got tool, it's got your Allen wrench actually in here in the head. Really pretty crazy tripod when you look at it. And like I said, it's American made, it's not cheap, but it's quality stuff. Now we'll be looking at other tripods in the future that cost less, but this is what we're going to be comparing all of them to, because in my opinion, this is the best there is. So once again, Really Right Stuff. The Ascent, that's how big. It's very tiny, very small. It's not much bigger around than a water bottle. Fits right in your pack, super light. This is the longest version they make, and I think it's right at just barely over 3 pounds. So very stable, impressive tripod. This is a 5.5 pound rifle, very, very lightweight. It's a Seekins Havoc element. It's a super lightweight Leupold Mark 6. What else do we have on here? We've got the Hatch Out West bipod on here. We've got an AB suppressors, reflex suppressor on here. I think that's pretty much the equipment that we're shooting. So we're gonna go ahead and go hot and show you what it's like to shoot off of this tripod. So I can actually adjust the tension in this ball head where I can still move it, make fine adjustments. I didn't mention before, but there's a pan feature that can be locked right here. So you could actually pan this direction, or you can lock it and just run with the ball head. So, but go ahead and watch the shot. I'm gonna be able to watch my impact. This is a 6.5 PRC shooting Hornady ammo. So you get the idea here. Okay. Okay, and I was able to watch impact through the scope standing off of this tripod. So there you have it. ReallyRideStuff.com, the Ascent. Obviously go to GunsAmerica for more information, but check it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Appreciate you.